Hello and welcome back to Diliga 430. Yes, uh, it's been a while, but I'm gonna make a tutorial in this old beauty. And today or tonight, I will show you how to make functional buttons that you can use in a menu. And we start off to delete this camera here. We can use this block as a button. Just make it little flatter, and then we're gonna we can split the cam here, and then we're gonna make it on the gonna be showing on top view. We add the camera and the camera will be in not perspective, orthographic. Yes, gonna move up the camera on the z-axis like this, and this is supposed to be the button, so we can like shrink it like this and this, and move it down there just for fun. And then we're going to change no, we're gonna add a text like this, and we can make a new material. We can take white, and this can be in a black color. Yeah, why not? I'm gonna move up the text above the, and as you can see, oh, looking beautiful already. Yes. Then going over to the logic. First of all, we're gonna always mouse visibility. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. As it is now, there are no visible mouse arrow. But if you do this little simple function, as you can see my arrow, so I can click on things. Yes, very good. And now okay, and then we're gonna press on the button here, make a clicky function. First of all, mouse left arrow. So as fast as we pressing the left button, left button, it's gonna activate the button function, but we also wanna have the mouse arrow to be moving over the button. So I'm gonna click on the button like here, not like here up here or there or something, just only when the cursor are over the button. We're gonna link this to controller and game. We can use anything here. We can make things appear, disappear, change scene, everything you know here. You can make, yeah, everything. So I gonna do a game quit because it's gonna quit. Yes. Yeah, I know, that's lame. Make something else maybe. Like, I don't know. Yeah, we can make another fun thing. I think you get this concept, but just for the waste your time, I have another block here. And I'm gonna hold shift and press that so we can link functions. So like, skip this, we make it visible, invisible, yes. So if you run this again, you see this ugly ass block, and if you press everything else, nothing happens, but when we press on the button, it disappears. Yes. So that's the today's lesson. I hope you can like this. People ask me if I can make more tutorials, and here it is. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.